Garth Brooks, the country music superstar, is in the middle of a legal storm. A woman, referred to as Jane Roe, has accused him of sexual assault. The allegations stem from incidents she claims happened in Los Angeles in 2019. She says Brooks raped her in a hotel room and later assaulted her again. Brooks denies all these allegations.
Hey there, music lovers! If you're into the best country vibes and all things music, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell.
Things are further convoluted now with multiple lawsuits. Roe also filed a sexual assault case in California, while Brooks filed a defamation and extortion lawsuit against Roe in Mississippi. Where and when these lawsuits were filed is now the focus of the battle. Lawyers representing Roe claim Brooks's suit was a tactical maneuver aimed at weakening Roe's position in the overall case. Roe alleges the first incident occurred in May 2019, saying Brooks raped her forcefully. She had been his hair and makeup artist at the time of the incident. Roe went on to graphically detail the incident, explaining Brooks sexually assaulted her while holding her upside down. Roe also described a second incident in October 2019. She says Brooks groped her and propositioned her. According to her, she only managed to escape because Brooks was in a hurry. Brooks has strongly denied all these accusations. Brooks has pleaded not guilty, saying Roe is trying to extort him. He said she wanted substantial amounts of money to keep quiet. His lawyers described the accusations as outrageous and false. They said the allegations by Roe amount to blackmailing the singer. Lawyers for Roe said the case should be tried in California. They contend the alleged incidents took place in Los Angeles. Thus, a California jury should hear the case. The legal team also accused Brooks of forum shopping. They believe Brooks chose Mississippi because it would be more favorable to him. California has an important law called the Anti-SLAPP statute. This law protects people from lawsuits meant to silence them. Roe's lawyers say Brooks filed his lawsuit in Mississippi to avoid this law. They call Brooks's actions a sham and accuse him of bad faith. Brooks's legal team says the opposite. Her lawyers said that Roe's lawsuit is duplicative and motioned that the California case be dismissed, claiming that the issue should be taken care of in Mississippi. Another point of controversy is Roe's identity. She filed her lawsuit in California under a pseudonym to keep her identity private. But Brooks's attorneys used her real name when they filed court documents in Mississippi. They included pictures of her, too. To Roe's lawyers, this was a vindictive move. They think it was meant to intimidate her. Roe's attorneys filed a motion to dismiss Brooks's Mississippi lawsuit, which is now sealed. Her lawyers argue that Brooks's tactics should not be rewarded and the case should be handled by a California court. In an earlier statement, Brooks denied the charges. He described the situation as a nightmare. He said he has been harassed with threats and lies. According to Brooks, Roe demanded millions of dollars. He described it as having a loaded gun waved in his face. The public reaction to his case has been mixed. Several fans believe Brooks is innocent and are on his side. Others are waiting for some facts to come out. As expected, the case against Brooks has drawn significant media interest. The stakes are high for both parties. For Roe, this is about justice, making sure Brooks pays for his crime. She had every right to tell her story in the courtroom. To Brooks, the case put his reputation and career in jeopardy. He insists the allegations are false. Both sides dug in for a fight. A hearing on Brooks's motion to dismiss the California case had been set for December 16th. Both sides had previously been preparing for December 9th, but asked for a delay. The judge has not ruled. The legal battle is far from over. The case will likely continue into the next year. Both sides are preparing for a tough fight. The outcome will have significant implications for both Roe and Brooks. This case underlines the complexity that legal strategy can take in high-profile situations. It shows how both location and timing can potentially affect the outcome of any legal battles. Filing in Mississippi instead of California adds another layer of complexity onto an already complex situation. Legal experts are awaiting with bated breath the reaction of the courts to this move. The other key issue is that of justice. For Roe, it is the justice of having her claims heard before a court where the alleged incidents took place. To Brooks, it means clearing his name from what he terms false accusations. The two sides are hurt and seek justification through the courts. As this case unfolds, more details will come to light. The public will learn more about the facts and the evidence presented. These developments could shift opinions and influence the outcome. Until then, both sides remain firm in their positions, preparing for what could be a long and contentious battle in court.